Hello and welcome to VetIntegration.com. Now we're going to be looking at uh, exporting our current list of inventory and our current list of customers from Sage. So once we've logged into our Sage program and we brought up our company, we can do File, Export, and then select Import Export. I'm under Accounts Receivable and I've already set up my export here, and all I have to do is export my customer list by hitting export. I've already selected all my fields, and my options are it's going to the C VetIntegration folder, and there's going to be a file created called customer.csv. So at this point I can just say OK, and then say, do you want to overwrite the file at C VetIntegration customer.csv, and we would say yes. Okay, so now we've exported all our customer list from Sage, and in a little bit I'll show you how we can import that into VetIntegration.com and make that available to all of the vets. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is drop down here to Inventory, and now we're going to take our inventory out to a CSV file as well. So let's go ahead and select that export, and then export here. And again, everything is all set up for us. There's a folder called C VetIntegration, and it's going to be item.csv. All the inventory items are going to come out to that file, so I can just click OK. And we'll let that work for a little bit. Alright, so now it's prompting us, do you want to overwrite the file C VetIntegration and then item.csv? And at this point we would say yes. So we're going to overwrite that file. Alright, so that portion is finished. Now at this point I can close this and I'm done with Sage. And then I can come back into VetIntegration. And if I come back into Admin Home, I'm assuming here that I've logged in as the site admin. And then immediately I can go update my customers and I can update my inventory. Alright, so now that we have everything exported from Sage, customers and inventory, we'll take our customers first, and we're going to take that file that we just exported and we're going to say import. And it's going to look in that same folder again, that C VetIntegration folder. And notice we're here on our local hard drive, C VetIntegration, and we're going to look for customer.csv. Okay, and we're going to open that one, and then we just select import. So keep in mind there's a warning here, all existing customer data will be replaced. All we're doing is we're replacing a copy from VetIntegration.com with what you had in Sage, the accounting system. So we're really syncing those two together. Okay, so now we're going to hit import. And you can see it's doing its thing down here. It's importing, it's taking that file. Okay, and it said VetIntegration.com says 1864 of 1864 total records saved successfully, and we'd say OK. And then we're back to our customers and we have a fresh list. So now this manage customers list is exactly the same as what you had in Sage, and it's immediately available to all the vets. Okay. Alright, so now that we're finished with our customers, let's come back to Admin Home, and we're going to update our inventory. Same process. We're going to look for that C VetIntegration folder when we import our inventory. And again, we're going to choose that file, and so we're going to browse. It's going to come out to our local hard drive, our local computer, and the C VetIntegration folder, and we're going to look for item.csv. That's that same one we exported from Sage. I'm going to select open, and at this point the next thing we do is we hit import. And you can see it's importing, and it looks like we're done already. So 982 out of 982 total records saved successfully, and we say OK. And at this point our inventory then now matches what we had in Sage. All the items came over. The item IDs, the descriptions, the base prices, immediately they're available for use in generating invoices by all the vets. Alright, that concludes the exports from Sage, updating customers and updating inventory.